Beings of light. Today, I'm going to teach you one of the fastest and most powerful techniques of the law of attraction. Imagine being able to reprogram your mind in seconds, transforming negative thoughts into positive energy aligned with your desires. Sounds too good to be true, but it's not. This technique has already been tested by hundreds of thousands of people, and the results are impressive. The secret lies in its simplicity and the correct use of thought. The law of attraction works based on a fundamental principle. Everything begins with thought. Thought generates feelings, which lead to actions, which create the results in your life. If you think something positive, you automatically trigger a good emotion that leads to behaviors aligned with that vibration. In the same way, a negative thought generates bad feelings and can block your achievements. That's why learning to master your mind is the fastest way to transform your reality. However, we know that controlling thoughts isn't always easy. Sometimes, you want to maintain a positive vibration, but your mind insists on bringing up worries, insecurities, and old patterns. This is where the techniques and tools of the law of attraction come in. Here on the channel, we talk about spiritual awakening and how to align your energy to manifest a lighter and more abundant life. These techniques don't create miracles, but they help you prepare your mind so that miracles can happen. Just as a bucket makes it easier to carry water, techniques are tools that make it easier to shape your thoughts and, consequently, your life. And the technique you're going to learn today is based exactly on that. Reprogramming your mind instantly, effortlessly, and without resistance. A method so simple that it can be used at any time of the day and will allow you to have more control over what you attract into your life. Now that you understand the foundation of this technique, get ready to discover how to put it into practice. Now that you've understood the basics of the quantum command and how it accelerates the manifestation of your desires, let's dive deeper into the importance of the mental and emotional state for this technique to work effectively. What many people don't realize is that the law of attraction doesn't respond to what you want, but to what you vibrate. In other words, it's not enough to simply repeat words or make gestures mechanically. You must truly feel that your desire is already a reality. The first step to ensure your manifestation happens quickly is to clear mental resistance. The reason why many people can't attract what they desire isn't in the technique itself, but in limiting beliefs and doubt. If you say, "I am prosperous," but deep down feel that this isn't true, your vibration remains in scarcity. The secret here is to reprogram your mind to accept this new reality. With this technique, you will be able to do that. But techniques like creative visualization, imaginative meditation, clinical hypnosis, and theta healing are also great tools to speed up your process. A powerful method to do this is to combine the quantum command with mirror affirmations. This practice enhances the process because it allows your subconscious mind to absorb the new reality more quickly. Here's an example of how to apply this technique. Stand in front of a mirror. Look into your own eyes for a few seconds until your eyes start to blink, and affirm with conviction while imagining yourself in the future, having already achieved what you desire to maximize the results. Congratulations! You achieved everything you wanted. You are worthy of abundance, happiness, and success. The universe is already delivering everything that is yours. Thank you, universe, for salary X. You manifest with ease. Feel the emotion of these words. As you imagine your future self, picture someone you respect and admire saying these words to you. Reinforce this with a physical command, such as a smile, snapping your fingers, or tapping your chest. This signals to your mind that this affirmation is true and has already happened. Over time, this command will become automatic, allowing you to use it throughout the day to reinforce this state even more. Another essential factor in accelerating any manifestation is to act as if you have already received it. This doesn't mean just waiting passively, but behaving and feeling as if it's already a part of your life. If you want a new job, start dressing and acting like someone who already has that position. If you want to attract money, stop reinforcing thoughts of scarcity and begin feeling financially secure right now. The quantum command works because it instantly shifts your frequency, removing emotional blocks that could delay your manifestation. The key for this technique to work is to keep your vibration high throughout the day, reinforcing the command whenever you feel the need. If doubts or negative thoughts arise, apply the command immediately. For example, if you notice a thought like, "This isn't going to work," cut the negative energy right away. Snap your fingers or tap your chest and say, "It's done. I've already achieved this." This signals to your brain that you don't accept that negativity and reinforces the energy of your manifestation. It's important to emphasize that if you have any kind of negative thought, it means you need to practice this exercise more often. This practice, when applied consistently, allows your subconscious to fully absorb the new reality, making your manifestation inevitable and much faster. Now that you know how to prepare your mind and eliminate resistance, in the next part, we'll talk about how to maintain a high frequency and what to do to ensure the law of attraction works continuously in your favor. Now that you know how to apply the quantum command to speed up your manifestations and reprogram your mind to accept this new reality, it's essential to understand how to keep that frequency elevated over time. After all, there's no point in activating a powerful command if, minutes later, you go back to feeding thoughts of doubt, scarcity, or anxiety. The universe continuously responds to what you feel and believe, so your energy must be aligned with what you want to manifest. The first step to keeping your frequency high is to act as if your desire has already been fulfilled. This means you need to eliminate habits and behaviors that reinforce the absence of what you want. If you want to attract prosperity, stop complaining about the lack of money. If you want a romantic relationship, stop feeling lonely and start acting like someone who already lives that reality. Another fundamental aspect is anticipatory gratitude. When you give thanks even before seeing the physical manifestation of your desire, you're sending the universe a signal of complete trust. This generates such strong energy that it accelerates the materialization of what you want. So start saying, "Thank you, universe, for this incredible blessing," even before it materializes. Additionally, a powerful trick is to reinforce the quantum command with small daily rituals. You can create a physical gesture that activates the desired vibration whenever necessary. For example, tapping your chest and saying, "I've already achieved this," snapping your fingers as an energetic reset, or even visualizing a golden light surrounding your body whenever you feel your vibration dropping. These small habits reprogram your mind and prevent you from reverting to old patterns of fear and scarcity. But what happens when challenges or moments of doubt arise? This is natural, and the most important thing is not to let fear take over. When you notice a negative thought, replace it immediately with a positive affirmation. If your mind says, "This isn't working," respond with conviction. "Everything is moving in my favor, even if I can't see it yet." The final essential point is not to become attached to the timing of the manifestation. The biggest mistake people make when using the law of attraction is obsessing over when and how things will happen. This creates anxiety and resistance, delaying the process. The secret is to trust. When you release the need to control and simply keep your vibration high, the universe takes care of the rest. Now that you have all the tools, It's time to put them into practice. Try this technique and observe the changes in the coming days. And if you want to share your experience, leave a comment below. How was it applying the quantum command? What results did you notice? Your story might inspire others who are on this journey. If this content resonated with you, don't forget to like and share so more people can transform their lives with this simple and powerful technique. Now go ahead and manifest everything you desire.